Have you ever dreamt of playing games and making money? Well, that's what GameFi is all about. It's where gaming joy meets decentralized finance, DeFi, creating an immersive experience that's changing the way we look at games. The GameFi market has seen remarkable growth, soaring from a USD 9 billion valuation in 2021 to an anticipated USD 90.51 billion by 2031. That's an impressive compound annual growth rate of 27.13%. Imagine this: owning virtual assets, winning prizes, and learning about money, all while having a blast playing games. Ready to explore the magic where games, earning, and new adventures collide? Let's get right into it. So, what exactly is a GameFi platform? It's the perfect blend of gaming and decentralized finance. These platforms revolutionize the industry by merging blockchain technology, gaming mechanics, and financial services. At the heart of GameFi are non-fungible tokens, NFTs, unique digital assets that give players true ownership of in-game items. Imagine trading and utilizing these assets across various gaming ecosystems. That's the power of GameFi. Of course, challenges like scalability, user experience, and regulatory compliance exist. But fear not, because GameFi's rapid evolution promises to reshape gaming and finance, creating an immersive, rewarding, and blockchain-powered ecosystem for enthusiasts and investors alike. Now, let's talk about how GameFi platforms work. These platforms operate at the intersection of gaming and decentralized finance, blending innovative technologies for a dynamic and engaging user experience. Central to GameFi are non-fungible tokens, NFTs, unique digital assets that represent ownership of specific in-game items. These NFTs are stored on blockchain networks, ensuring transparency and security. GameFi platforms employ tokenomics to incentivize user participation. Players can earn native tokens through gaming activities, staking, or contributing to the ecosystem. These tokens often provide access to exclusive features, governance rights, or rewards. But that's not all. GameFi platforms integrate decentralized finance, DeFi principles, offering financial services within the gaming ecosystem. Users can participate in yield farming, liquidity provision, and asset staking, earning rewards while contributing to the platform's liquidity and stability. Many GameFi platforms emphasize interoperability, allowing users to utilize their assets across multiple games or platforms within the GameFi ecosystem. This interconnectedness adds value to in-game assets and encourages continued engagement. Crafting a successful GameFi platform involves integrating key features that enhance user engagement and empower ownership. Number 1. NFT integration. The bedrock of GameFi. Enable creation, management, and trading of NFTs representing in-game assets. Number 2. Gaming experience enhancement. Create immersive gameplay with leaderboards, tournaments, and challenges. Reward players for achievements. Number 3. Security measures. Prioritize robust security to protect user assets. Number 4. Community building. Foster a thriving community for brand loyalty. Now, let's explore the benefits of GameFi platform development for businesses. Number 1. Market expansion. Tap into a growing market at the convergence of gaming and finance. Number 2. Revenue diversification. Introduce multiple monetization avenues beyond traditional models. Number 3. User engagement. Enhance engagement and retention with immersive experiences. Number 4. Innovation opportunities. Innovate and differentiate in a competitive market. Number 5. DeFi expansion. Venture into decentralized finance strategically. Number 6. Community building. Foster strong communities for brand loyalty. Now, let's look at some of the top GameFi platforms in the market. Number 1. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity revolutionizes gaming by allowing players to own and battle cute creatures, Axies, earning tokens like Smooth Love Potion, SLP. With NFTs linked to Axies and a vibrant ecosystem, Players can sell, trade, or even lend Axie's for real earnings. Axie's play-to-earn model reshapes gaming possibilities. Number 2. Decentraland, a heavyweight in the GameFi arena, pioneers decentralization in gaming. With an open-world platform, users snag NFT-backed virtual real estate. Customization is key. Players craft tailored experiences, and recent auctions reaching $4 million underscore Decentraland's pivotal role in shaping the future of GameFi. Number 3. The Sandbox. The Sandbox's immersive platform empowers users to play, build, and own assets, sharing or selling their 3D creations for tokens. Tokens like sand, land, and assets drive a circular economy, uniting players, creators, curators, and landowners in the Sandbox universe. Number 4. Alien Worlds. Alien Worlds offers a unique blockchain-based gaming experience. Players explore virtual planets, mining resources to earn cryptocurrency tokens. Built on the Wax blockchain, it features an in-game economy where users are rewarded for engaging in mining activities and various in-game pursuits. Alien Worlds transforms gameplay into a rewarding venture. Conclusion: GameFi is an exciting new concept that is transforming the gaming industry. By combining gaming and decentralized finance, GameFi platforms are providing users with a new type of gaming experience that is more engaging, immersive, and rewarding. While there are certainly challenges facing GameFi development, the future of this industry looks promising. To address these challenges, entrepreneurs looking to build GameFi platforms can benefit from partnering with a GameFi development company. By partnering with IdeaUsher, entrepreneurs can ensure that their GameFi platform is built with the right expertise, design skills, and knowledge of the gaming and financial industries, allowing them to create innovative and successful GameFi platforms.